If your kitchen is clean, but still somehow feels grimy, you're probably not lazy. You're just making a few sneaky cleaning mistakes. In this video, let's walk through the most common kitchen cleaning errors that even tidy people make, and how to fix them so your space is truly clean, safe, and easier to maintain. Mistake number 1, cleaning in the wrong order. Most people wipe here and there as they notice a mess. The problem? You end up recontaminating what you already cleaned. The fix: always clean top to bottom and clean cleanest to dirtiest. Start with cabinet fronts and higher surfaces, then counters, then the stovetop, and finish with the sink and floor. That way, crumbs, grease, and germs only move in one direction, into the trash. Mistake number 2, treating your sponge like it's immortal. That one sponge doing dishes, wiping counters, and cleaning spills? It's usually the germiest thing in the whole kitchen. The fix: use different tools for different jobs. For example, a scrub brush or sponge only for dishes, and microfiber cloths only for counters and appliances. Rinse sponges thoroughly, let them dry completely between uses, and replace them often. If it smells even a little, it's time to let it go. Mistake number 3, spraying and wiping way too fast. Most disinfecting sprays don't work the moment they hit the surface. They need time, called dwell time, to actually kill bacteria. The fix: read the label on your cleaner. If it says it needs 5 minutes, give it 5 minutes. Spray, let it sit while you move on to another task, then come back and wipe. Slowing down just a bit makes your cleaning way more effective. Mistake number 4, forgetting high-touch, high-germ spots. We obsess over counters and sinks, but skip the places everyone's hands touch all day long. The fix: add these to your regular routine. Fridge handles, cabinet knobs, microwave buttons, faucet handles, light switches, the top of the trash can, and the dishwasher handle. A quick wipe with a damp cloth and a gentle cleaner is usually enough, but do it often. These tiny areas make a big difference. Mistake number 5, using one cleaner for everything, especially bleach. Bleach and harsh chemicals feel powerful, but they're not always the right choice. They can be irritating, damage surfaces, and don't play well with other products. The fix: match the cleaner to the job. Use a gentle, food-safe cleaner or mild soap and water on counters and tables where food sits. Use degreaser on the stove and range hood. Avoid mixing chemicals and save strong disinfectants for real problem areas, not every single wipe down. Mistake number 6, ignoring your cutting boards. A quick rinse under the faucet doesn't remove everything, especially after raw meat. The fix: for plastic cutting boards, wash with hot soapy water, then sanitize regularly with a safe disinfecting solution. For wooden boards, scrub with hot soapy water, rinse, dry upright, and occasionally sprinkle with coarse salt, and scrub with half a lemon to help lift stains and odors. Always keep separate boards for raw meat and for ready-to-eat foods like fruits, vegetables, and bread. Mistake number 7, cleaning around clutter instead of dealing with it. You can't truly clean what you can't reach. When counters are covered with mail, random gadgets, and half-used ingredients, crumbs and grease collect around everything. The fix: before you ever grab a spray bottle, do a 2-minute declutter. Put away appliances you rarely use, toss expired items, and give everything a home. The less that lives on your counters, the faster and deeper your cleaning will be, every time. Let's recap. Clean in the right order, retire overworked sponges, give cleaners time to work, hit the forgotten high-touch spots, choose the right product for each surface, show your cutting boards some love, and clear the clutter so you can actually reach what you're cleaning. You don't need hours to have a truly clean kitchen, just a smarter routine and a few small changes that protect your home and your family.